Hi guys, I would like to show you how to skew text in Illustrator. And how you do that is first let's type something out. Hello world, for example. Let's make it a bit bigger, like that. And once you have it selected, you select the text, and then you go to Effects, and then Warp. And then it depends what you want to do, how you want to skew the text. Like this, for example, you have you get this warp option, and here you have different kinds of warping of the text. So let's say you want to do it around in a circle, you can use the arc, and then you can select how much bend you would like. If you would like it to bend that way, or on the top like that. But yeah, you have a lot of different options here to play with, so that's how you skew text in Illustrator. If there's any other questions, just type them below in the comments, and I will make a video on how to do it. Have a good day. Bye bye.